Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve problems with special angles. Find the exact value of 2 sine 60 plus cos 30. So here is the solution for this question. You have to say 2 times and sine 60. We agreed that on SOHCAHTOA, remember we said it's called SOHCAHTOA, where sine is nothing but opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite of 60 is √3 and hypotenuse is 2. So here we are going to multiply by √3 over 2 plus cos 30. Cos 30 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent is √3 over hypotenuse, which is nothing but 2. So here's the thing now. We need to simplify this expression. First, we solve here where we are having multiples. So we end up having √3 plus √3 here over 2. After having all this, we need to simplify here by saying over 1 all over 2. So we have 2 √3 plus √3 only. So we can add the numerators by getting an answer which is nothing but 3 √3 over 2. So this will be our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.